Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Hope you are fine.
Thank you. Hope you find too.
Okay. Our company is Ict2Utor. I think you know already.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, firstly, I want to ask you tell yourself.
Okay, just I want to say my name is Ict2Utor. I'm from Afghanistan and I'm doing computer science in IAUM. And this is my last semester. That's all. And I consider myself as a mini web developer.
Okay. Tell us a bit about your first programming project.
I have done many projects, Java projects, web development projects, Python projects, and mobile application projects also.
Okay, that's nice. What was your first programming language?
The first programming language, it was Java.
It was Java.
Yeah.
From beginning you are learning Java.
Yeah, probably.
That sounds nice. You have several types of experience. Also, you are good in languages. I think you know 6 languages, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How you learning?
I just learned because some of them my country's national language, and some of them I traveled to that country. That's why I learned.
Can you tell me about your favorite programming project?
My favorite programming project
Yeah.
actually is my FYP. I'm doing it now on
Okay.
Laravel. Actually, this is my
What is the
favorite.
name in your project?
The name of my project is Angur also.
It's Angu.
Yeah, Angur.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, as you know, we need a programmer in our company, and you applied to be a programmer for us. As a programmer, one of the biggest challenges to sort and search in the large number of data. So suppose you are given a large number of data and you want to store it in a way so that later on you can easily search for the data. So what data structure you will use to store this data?
Okay. Well, I think it depends to some programmers and on data also. If this amount of data given to me, then I prefer array to use, because whenever the searching is considered, then array is easy to search. And linked list there is also linked list. You can store the data, the huge number of data, but I think searching is somehow difficult in linked list. But in array, we can search easily. Like we have bubble search and binary search and merge search and many of these data structures. I think I prefer the array to use this to store this data.
Okay, that's good. You gave some reason why you are using array and why not linked list or any other structure.
What would your skills and personality contribute to our team?
I think I'm a self-driving person. I will be a contribution to a company in whatever field you want. Any fields?
Okay, Motiullah, another question is from me. It's also about programming skills. As I can see, you put lots of skills and you know lots of languages. And I want to know, as a programmer, you know, it's always challenge for you, and you should have errors debugging skills. So how much did you improve your skills, and how you will improve it in the future?
Okay, well, I think debugging is more difficult compared to coding, because debugging is something where in some projects we have very, very small issues in that project that we cannot find. To your question, I want to say if some person consider himself or herself as a programmer, then he must be a good debugger also. Because debugging is something related to skill and experience of a programmer. Like we have in programming language, we have one equal sign is assignment sign, but we have two equal sign is to comparison. Yeah. If programmer doesn't know the signs, this syntax, then it will be very difficult to that programmer. I think it depends on programmer skills and experience to debug that project.
So you mean depends on the programmer knowledge and experience and practice in programming.
Yeah.
All right.
Also, we have now we have some IDEs which they have debugging tools also. They can help us to debug some code also, but some mini bugs cannot be fixed through the IDEs. Then it requires a good programming skills and experience.
All right, I think that's all from us. Thank you for attending the interview. We wish you good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for coming today. Firstly, we would like to know a little bit more about you. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Siti Shara Aiman. I live in Kota Baru, Kelantan. Currently, I am doing bachelor degree in computer science at International Islamic University, Malaysia.
Do you like programming?
Yeah,
Why?
because I love to develop a system for people, and I like to solve the problems.
Okay, that's good.
In your resume, you mentioned about mobile.
Okay, so during my exchange program at Turkey, I have learned how to use Android Studio. So the language that I use is Java and XML. So I have to develop one project about Flower online system.
What is the purpose of that project?
Okay, actually the system is to help people in need to buy the flower, to make them easier to buy. They don't have to go to the shop.
Okay, what would your skill and personality contribute to our company?
Okay, so I have skills in using Photoshop. I can help in designing the poster and the logos, and I also have the skills in using Microsoft. I can write the memos, the minute meeting, and the reports. And for my personality, I can be a team leader, and I can work in a team.
That's okay. Sound is nice.
Okay, that's all the questions we want to ask you. If you have any question that you want to ask?
Yes, I have one question. Can I know what is the job scope for this position for the assistant programmer?
Your job scope is mostly to work under our main programmer, which is Cosmos. So working on our mobile application for tutoring. So you will be assisting and doing some of the programming and mostly work directly under master. Awesome. That's it. Yes, if you don't have any question more, you can have
I would like to say thank you for giving your time to interview me. I hope I can be your next employee. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.